Hi YouTube. I'm Lydian.
And I'm Jessica.
And today we're gonna make some whipped coffee.
Now watch me whip. Now watch me nana. Now watch me whip.
The fact that we did it together.
Okay. What's the gag though, Lydian?
The gag is, I know how to make it and your girl doesn't.
Yes, I am the girl. I don't know.
The girl is she.
The girl is me. So all I know is that we have our ingredients of vanilla extract, granulated sugar, almond milk, or actual milk if you want, but like we're fancy, and Cafe Bustelo, the coffee of the immigrants. And we are starting with hot water. How do you know how to make whipped coffee?
I think I saw it on a TikTok.
I don't.
And it was like really popping, like on Instagram and stuff. So I was like, oh, I know how to make it now. And honestly, vanilla extract isn't part of it, but because we're Haitian, you put it in everything.
Yeah, and the funny part, besides all of this chaos, is that our two older sisters, Maika and Myrta, will be drinking this coffee. Lydian's will probably taste like coffee. Mine might taste like coffee grounds. So we'll see what happens. I think if Lydian's gonna stay over there, I'm gonna stay over here. Lord.
I don't know how to open this. She don't know how to open no Cafe Bustelo.
That's how you pronounce it?
I don't know.
Bustelo, mama.
Bustelo.
Bustelo, thank you.
They'll be looking at my stuff. Neva.
Oh my god. Oops. I don't know why I don't like milk.
Wait, I feel like this is gonna make a mess, but we'll clean it up.
Shoot, oh shoot. Read the instructions on this. You opened it upside down, so I can't read the instructions.
The girl said, let me read the instructions.
Man, and it doesn't have any instructions.
Just coffee. They're like, use it.
How's it going, Jessica? You know, beginning the stirring process. I'm not necessarily sure. Oh, look, Lydian went to the stove. Maybe I'll go to the stove. How are you doing, Lydian?
I'm great.
How are you?
I'm confident.
Oh, is she?
I'm confident.
Okay, so Lydian took enough to like, I think there's still some in her pot.
She poured that in there like it was ketchup. She put so much vanilla extract.
Shoot. Wait, what am I doing? Okay.
Oh yeah, that's right. I'm doing me.
Thank you. Drake. Oh yeah, that's right. I'm doing. Yep. Okay, what's Drake? That song came out like freshman year of college. Shoot, I think I put too much coffee. Oh shoot. I think there's too much coffee in this. Hold on, let me put more milk in. Hold on. Hold on. Oh my gosh, hold on. Lydian is stirring.
Down.
Oh shoot. Oh my God.
Lydian, stop looking at mine.
Oh my God, this is disgusting.
I don't know who's gonna drink that.
Oh my gosh. Hold on. What? Wait, maybe. Hold on. I don't know if I'm supposed to do it from like the bottom. This is disgusting. Do you see these bubbles?
Look at the flick of my wrist, everyone. This is how you effectively flick your wrist. Jessica's kind of looks like an elementary school when like kids would pour their milk out into their plate.
Wow. Yes. Wow.
And try to make the nastiest concoction and tell them, oh, I bet you won't eat that. All right, y'all. So, turns out you need instant coffee so it could whip, but we don't have instant coffee. So, we did the best we could, and we're still gonna get our sisters to try it. Maritza, Maika. Okay, so now we are being forced to taste this. And I'm already alarmed. Okay, let's talk about what it looks like. Okay, the one on the left is for Lydia, and the one on the right is for Jessica. What are your thoughts?
I like the gradient. Actually, no, I don't. You can see the grains of, is it grains of coffee?
Grounds?
The coffee grounds. Yeah, good job. Well, let's hurry up before the ice starts to melt some more. Oh wait, let's smell it.
Okay, so we're gonna smell this one.
I don't know why I said I can. I can never smell anything.
Okay, it smells really coffee-like. Also smells really coffee-like. For some reason, the one on the left is darker that Lydia made. I don't know what you did different.
I put too much.
Okay,
I put too much coffee.
This is Jessica's. All right, so we'll both taste both of them. Keep our opinions to ourselves until we taste them both, right? Or should we just say it after we've tasted it?
No.
Keep it to yourself. All right, that's the first one.
Bottoms up.
Oh.
Bottoms up. Cheers.
Cheers, cheers. Okay. Okay. That must be tasty, huh? 3 sips. Beat that. Okay. I feel disrespected right now. Okay, the next one.
Next up.
All right, cheers. Okay. I swear. I solemnly swear. I solemnly swear. The coffee is not moving.
I have my opinion.
All right, hold on. And put up the person's coffee who won.
Okay. And 3, 2, 1.
Yes. Clearly mine won because she grabbed it first.
Yeah, okay.
She has no poker face.
Okay. 3, 2, 1. Well, that's the end of this video.
Okay, let me say why. Okay, so Jessica's was good, but for some reason, I know it's because it's not instant, but the grounds did not incorporate, so it just tastes like
What's your point?
sugared water, off water. It's not exactly water. You can tell there's something else in there, but you can't really taste the coffee. And then for this one, maybe it's because she put too much coffee in it. It tastes like coffee, and I think it would be good if it didn't have the coffee grounds. So maybe if you want to make this like, you know, coffee stuff, but you don't have instant, you can make iced coffee maybe this way, and then just pour it through a strainer so you don't have the grounds, and then you could just keep the liquid. So
I thought they were both disgusting. This one was just a little less so.
it tastes like weird. Holy moly, it does taste like water.
This tastes like weird chocolate milk. This doesn't taste like iced coffee.
All right. So there you have it, ladies and gents. Winner's gonna win. Loser's gonna lose.
Okay.
What do you have to say?
Honestly, I'm not a big coffee drinker, so I think I did all right, all things considered. This was definitely a fail video. We will get some instant coffee. Lydian will challenge another sister. And we'll see if she can keep her coffee making title. In the meantime, rate, comment, subscribe. Let us know how to actually make iced coffee. Anything else you want to add, Mama?
Nope, you said everything.
All right, bye.